interesting. I'm wearing a camera on my head. Now you can see everything that I'm doing, and I have a remote. I can take photos, and I can do video. Isn't that amazing? And if it's not in its case, you can hear me speak, I think.
Oh.
I don't know what angle to put it at or what you can see.
Maybe you should practice wearing it when you do the dishes.
Ooh, that could be an exciting adventure. Practice wearing while I do the dishes. Or practice collecting footage of things by doing the dishes. Would that be more accurate? This is where we put the pans. Come along with me while I do the dishes. We put these containers over here. It's very exciting. Dashy got a little overzealous with this one and chewed the edge of it off, but he's been pretty good for a year or more now. After I yelled at him for doing that, he understands. Because though he's a weird boy, he is a smart boy. Maybe he's weird because he is smart. He's like me. You know? On many occasions I tried establishing a precedent of soaking the dishes in our household, but Katie's getting better. She's making progress. This is our little culture of grime water, we call this, around the bottom of the soap container. Occasionally needs to be cleaned. Cleanliness is next to godliness. I like to take the most fragile things out of the sink first before I rummage. The more rummaging you do, the more potential there is for breakage. It's a rummage to breakage equation. I haven't solved it yet, but I have like an inkling. I'm also thinking of starting a band called Rummage Breakage. Crickets. That's our hit single. What? You're... Oh... I have no way of knowing. See, initially I had this camera in its waterproof case, which is how I thought I better do it. So I'd have more confidence in reaching up with my wet, soapy hands to adjust it than I do right now. But I noticed before that you didn't get any sound through that case. So we're doing a little test like this, but like I say, maybe the angle is just looking at the wall, I don't know. So we'll have a big, all this highly interesting stuff might go unseen. You know, the last thing I need in my life is more anxiety. And worrying that my new camera doesn't capture all the excitement of my life. It's just the straw that broke the the straw, Freudian slip. It's the straw that broke the camel's back. I worry all the time that Katie Merrill's going to find out that our relationship is one giant bet that somebody dared me to see how long I could be with someone with Down syndrome.
I've seen people.
What's that?
I've seen people all that.
Yeah. The joke's on them because they don't understand that that's my fetish. And you carry it well, babe. No one would ever know. In fact, you could do your own YouTube channel, living with Down syndrome, undiagnosed. You know? I don't think you're into it. Katie Merrill draws the line at Down syndrome jokes. She knows somebody with Down syndrome. Therefore, it's not funny. Can never be funny. But the joke's on her. I don't know why, but it is. I like doing silverware last. I just get a lot of satisfaction out of doing it all in one fell swoop. I like to put the blunt objects pointed up and the sharp objects pointed down for safety. Let it be known. Oh, we got a coffee scenario to take care of. Did you end up putting a bag in the garbage?
Yeah.
Oh, jeez. So brave. Oh, fucking Christ on a bike. Just this goddamn garbage can, if you look at the lid wrong, it comes off. And then we do a little hot rinse. It's like a horse bath, but we call it the hot rinse. It's not really, the soap isn't necessary. You just get a little fluid spin going in the coffee jug. And then we leave it here. I like this drying rack. It's got like 50-50 areas that things won't fit through, and then it's got some really large little trick you spots where stuff can come flying out and hit the floor and break. Excellent. All right, let's go check out what kind of sweet footage we got.